everyone, welcome back to my channel, Graceman Crafts. So for today's video, I will be doing another tutorial for a quiet book page, and this is to learn shapes and colors. I decided to cut out 7 different shapes, and obviously you can use whatever shape you'd like, and in 7 different colors. And for each shape, I cut out 3 of each. And each shape measures about a little over 2 by 2 inches. And then for the pocket where the shapes will be stored, I just cut out a rectangle. And in my previous video, I actually have a tutorial on how I attach my fabric to the fusible fabric to make the pages more sturdier. So if you're interested in that, I will go ahead and link that. And here I'm just removing the edges of the fabric. Because we cut out 3 of each shape, you will use 1 to put onto the page, and once you figure out how you want them organized, you just sew them on. And don't forget to sew any extra thread you have to the back of the page. And here I'm cutting out my ribbon that will be attached to the shapes. I cut them all the same length by measuring the longest one, and to secure the ribbon into the shape, I always make a knot at the top of the ribbon and then insert that into the shape, just to make sure that if it's being pulled at, it wouldn't like slip right out. And I cut out 2 pieces of felt to secure the ribbon into place. This will be sewed onto the page, but will be hidden by the pocket that will go in the front. I cut off any excess fabric and sewed that onto the page. And on top of that, I sewed on the pocket that will store all of the shapes. And here is the completed page. Again, this page will be going into the quiet book that I'm making for my niece. So she's a little over a year and a half, so this is a perfect activity for her to learn her shapes and her colors by having to match them up. And instead of using ribbon, you can also use Velcro. So instead of attaching or sewing the ribbon inside the shape, you would just attach the Velcro to the back. And if you enjoyed watching the video, please don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel to see more crafts. Thank you.